33 hours apart. My twins were born over 6 days, and their birthdays are 33 hours apart. Yes, they have different birthdays. And then I had an amazing unassisted birth with my third baby. And at first, it seemed like, oh my God, these are miracles. And I was published in all these publications. I was on TV and interviewed about how did I create these incredible births. And then I manifested $40,000 and an amazing relationship with my husband and our dream homes. And it stopped being a fluke and became a pattern. I've become a miracle maker in my life. And maybe my miracles aren't for everyone, but I have taken anyone who wanted to receive some spontaneous healings or create a new career or find their dream partner or create something in their life that they at one point believed was impossible or improbable. So I'm hosting a free 7-day Manifest Miracles Challenge to share with you all of the things that I know for the mindset techniques and practices and principles so that you can be a miracle maker in your own life. I hope you'll register for the challenge so that you can have an amazing, miraculous life and feel like a miracle maker in your life. See you soon.